Right, we're back in the back of the HANTAREX Polo. So we've put this cable back on. We're going to put the so literally I've put the neck boards back on. That's all secure. I've just got to put the high voltage transformer bit on, the high voltage to the tube, which is this, and it can be so bloody awkward. You've got to get that prong in there, lift that up so you can see the other one, and get them both smack bang in that. Can you see that? How do I get it in? Perfect. That's on. So that's on. Neck board's on. That's on. We need the power. Where's the power? Where's the power? Where's the power? Ooh, the power. Oh, we need the thingy on. This is the signal from the board. We need that on. Anyway, out that, and we need the power. Where is the power? Here it is. Where is down here? Look. We've got the power. Obviously, the live and neutral on the ground. Put that through there. Okay, so we've not tried this. So this is literally real time. I've just put the brand new hot on. I'm not sure if you can see it in the corner there. Yeah, it's there. Look, there's the brand new hot. There he is. He's all on there. I've metered him. He's fine. So, I'll be honest with you. From watching, obviously, John's arcade videos and a lot of other ones as well, I'm not expecting this to fix a problem. If this fixes a problem, then I'll be absolutely over the moon. I think there's a problem with either, again, I've done no cap kit on this at all. This was a 28. This is obviously, we've got the 25 working, that's fine. This is a 28. When this came to me, when I bought this Sonic Blast Man, again, monitor was just totally dead, and all I was getting, I'm just literally earthing this now, so it's earthed. So all I was getting was literally just a clicking that seemed to be coming from over here, which says there might be a power issue with one of the diodes. I have tested all. I've done a diode test on all the diodes on the board. They seem to be fine. So this could potentially now the hot. We know the hot was definitely bad, but it's if there's something else on this board that is blowing the hot that will blow the hot again. Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and get this plugged in at the same time as I'm cameraing it, so I want to see if anything blows. That's the trick. So I'm going to unplug it down here. We know obviously Sonic Blast Man works fine. Just got to go over here and kick it up, which is that one. Which also puts the grabber on as well, unfortunately. I'll just quickly turn the grabber off. I don't want the grabber on. So let's listen out. Does this blow the hot? Or does it come on? If this comes on and I fix this screen, I then got to decide, because I've chucked two of the mounts away to hold the screen into the thing. It's got two like supportive mounts. I think I've chucked two of them away. I might not have done. If this works, then we're going to remount this screen. We're going to quickly give it a rub down with a sanding block to get rid of that scratches. Obviously, I took it out because I was going to scrap the screen because I didn't want the hassle of it looking like it wanted a new flyback and new this, new that. I'd got a quick fix. I wanted a quick fix, even though I've got plenty of time while I'm off work to do stuff. I didn't want to have two HANTAREX Polos. I've been messing around with two HANTAREX Polos, but I've done the flyback. If this works, I will be so chuffed. Not just proud of myself, but so chuffed that it was just that, and we fixed it, and we found the problem, and we fixed it. I don't think it will be. I think I'm going to plug this in now, and I think the hot's going to go. We'll see if we can listen to anything. Already, let's do it. So real time. Let's be nice and quiet. Let's plug it in. The screen is booted up. I do not believe it. The screen is actually booted up. Whether it stays on or not is another thing. Oh my God, we have fixed it. Fucking shit.
A hero who came from beyond the stars to safeguard the peace of the
Do not
earth.
believe it.
His name is Supersonic Blast Man.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I've got to turn it down. So all this time, it was just the hot that wanted replacing. That's it, it's fixed. And I can't believe it as well. I've actually had to do nothing to the screen. I've literally got to literally shrink the screen down a tiny bit on the remote board. I don't believe it. I do not believe it. That's it. It's fixed. That screen is absolutely spot on. Guys, well, I can't believe it. That is all it was, the hot. So not only have we fixed the HANTAREX 25, we've fixed the HANTAREX 28. It needs a little bit of brightness, and it needs.
A hero who came from beyond the stars.
But I'm happy with that. It's awesome. It needs screen needs shrinking down a tiny bit, but the actual focus is spot on. Absolutely spot on. It just needs realigning, that's all, and a bit of brightness. It's a little bit dull. I can't believe it. So that's it. So I've ordered that board from China. It's still not come. Sod's law now. Monday morning that board will come. But now what I'll do is now I'll calibrate this screen. I've got the thing. I'm sure I've still got the things. I'm sure. I opened it and chuck them away. Oh my God, I've still got them. I've got the suspenders to resuspend the screen. I can resuspend the screen tomorrow and that's it. It's fixed. Wow. Oh my God. I can't believe it. That's it. It's fixed. All this time it was just the hot. It could have been something else blowing the hot, but it wasn't. It was just the hot.
A hero who came from beyond
God,
the stars.
I can't believe it. I cannot believe it.
His name is Supersonic Blast Man.
Just to prove to you as well that obviously it does work. I'll put a credit in on the red button there. Hold on. So we've got look at that. So I can't punch it properly because I'm not suspending the screen. As you can see, it's got some suspenders there. It needs to go to the ceiling. I'm going to resuspend that. So I've got everything I need to do that. Can't believe it. That's it. It's fixed. I've also shortened the new bolts. I put some brand new bolts in to hold the thing on the side. I've got some red tape. I'm going to redo all this red tape. It's going to look absolutely awesome when I'm done with it, wouldn't it? I'll do a full video now, but the main thing is now I've got the screen working and there's nothing wrong with the screen. So the hot had just gone. The hot had just worn out. The horizontal output transistor had just worn out, and I've replaced it, and that's it. It's done.
A hero who came from beyond
I just got to borrow a couple of bits off the 25 to stick in the board and literally just move the board over. Just move the screen over. Can't believe it, guys. Awesome. I'm gonna get to bed. I'm gonna get this video uploaded, and we'll carry on. We'll do a full video, and we'll test it all out, and we'll get it all finished off. And yeah, that's it. We've fixed both the 28 that I was going to throw away, a perfectly good monitor, and it is a good monitor. I mean, that picture is good. It literally wants a little bit of brightness on, for my liking. Maybe even not. A little bit of brightness, just wants realigning up. We're a bit too far to the left, and that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. Everything I do from now onwards, obviously I'm going to try and get everything done, do it in real time. Obviously you've seen this in real time, but I'd obviously not showed you the hot being put on because it was late at night. I couldn't obviously get the tripod in and do all that. I just got a little bit of time before I went to bed. My little girl's in bed, my wife-to-be's in bed. I want to get done quick, and that's it. We fixed him. It's working, and the screen looks amazing. It looks spot on. I'm not going to change the brightness. Actually, I'm going to leave it. The brightness has actually literally come up now. Now it's been on for a few minutes. The brightness is spot on. Can't believe it. I fixed him. That's it. It's fixed. Right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you can put it on your Facebook as well. Try and get some more subscribers. Let's bump it up. Let's spread the love. Obviously, all you guys that love the arcade stuff, love the DJing stuff as well, the hardcore, the trance, and the classics, and all the vinyl, and the kiddie rides, of course. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you later. I'm going to bed. If I can sleep or not is another question. But thanks, guys. See you soon.